In this part, you need to know how to use modals for different purposes and meanings, such as expressing degrees of certainty or possibility. For example, he must be tired, which means I am sure he is tired. He might be tired, which means I think it is possible that he is tired. Expressing deduction or inference. For example, she has a British accent, so she must be from the UK. Which I understand that she is from the UK based on her accent. Expressing obligation or necessity. For example, you have to wear a mask in public places, which means it is necessary or required to do so. You should wear a mask in public places, which means it is advisable or recommended to do so. Expressing permission or prohibition. For example, you can use my phone if you want, which means I give you permission to use my phone. You can't use my phone, which means I don't allow you to use my phone. Expressing ability or capacity. For example, he can run very fast, which means he has the ability to run fast. He could run very fast when he was young, which means he had the ability to run fast in the past. Expressing advice or suggestion. For example, you should see a doctor if you feel sick, which means I advise you to see a doctor. You could see a doctor if you feel sick, which means I suggest a possible option for you. Expressing request or offer. For example, can you help me with this? Which means I request your help. I can help you with this, which means I offer my help, expressing condition or hypothesis. For example, if I were you, I would study harder, which means I imagine a situation that is not real and its consequence, expressing preference or wish. For example, I would rather study than watch TV, which means I prefer to study. I wish I could fly, which means I want something that is impossible,